Governor Peter Mba's initiative of installing cameras across every corner of Enugu's capital is both intriguing and commendable. What? It's clear it didn't come to play. This CCTV project has been underway for months now, with installations happening quietly across various parts of the city, and is now in its advanced stages. The command and control center located at the government house, equipped with massive high-definition screens, has been fully completed and set up at the government house. From there, Enugu will be monitored closely with cutting-edge surveillance cameras capable of facial and license plate recognition. This is really massive. To any criminal element out there, consider this a warning, serious warning. There's nowhere left to hide. Either repent now or leave Enugu State for the hardworking ones before Governor Peter Mba catches up with you. In fact, the latest update is that the governor has approved the installation of CCTV cameras at the renowned Ogbete main market, one of the biggest, if not the biggest markets in Enugu State. Abi, is it the biggest? Residents of Enugu State, please confirm for me in the comments if Ogbete main market is indeed the largest market in the state, because I can't say what I'm not sure of actually, but I just know this particular market is very, very big. So let us know in the comment section for the Enugu residents if this is the largest or just one of the largest. Okay, the idea of having surveillance in such a massive market is incredible. I mean, what exactly is going on? Governor Peter Mba seems to be elevating governance to a whole new level. This is really impressive. As if that wasn't enough, the very next day saw the official flag off of the revitalization of Enugu United Palm Products Limited. This project is a 100 billion naira partnership with Pragmatic Palms Limited, which is not just an investment. It is way, way more than an investment.
Enugu State, we are truly open for business. And just like we are committing to Pragmatic Palms Limited to offer them all the necessary support and to ensure that we keep to our own part of the bargain in providing all the infrastructure that we have undertaken to provide. Now for the host communities, I have these words for you. You have today just witnessed what is essentially going to make sure that poverty is kissed goodbye, is banished in your community. Make no mistake, we're talking about investment size of 100 billion naira. So you now know that you cannot talk about unemployment. You cannot talk about creating wealth. You're going to be wealthy. You already know that we as government have also taken it upon ourselves to ensure that we guarantee quality learning to our children by the provision of the smart schools, as you already know.
The project will create 3,500 jobs, revitalize 20,000 acres of palm plantation, and not only that, it will also establish world-class oil mills and refining capacities. This isn't just about reviving the business, right? It's about sparking a transformation that will place Enugu at the forefront of agricultural innovation and economic growth in Nigeria. The goal is to make Enugu State a top destination for investment, industry, and sustainable development. Governor Peter Mba truly means business this time around, Abi, doesn't he? And the Enugu State just made history as the first southeastern state to install CCTV cameras throughout its streets. Before I wrap up, I want to take a moment to thank everyone who has been supporting Ebony People TV. Your likes, your comments, and shares mean the world to us. Trust me. We appreciate all the love. As a token of our gratitude, we want to celebrate you, our amazing viewers, so listen carefully. If you have a birthday coming up, we'd love to give you a special shout out. Yes, you heard that right. We'd really, really love to appreciate you by giving you a special birthday shout out. So all you have to do is send us a DM with your name and photo, of course, attached to the number showing on your screens. And this must be done 2 days before your big day. We can't wait to celebrate with you. And do not forget to always join the Ebony People TV community for exclusive content, Monday morning news highlights, live game shows, podcasts, and much more. We are truly honored to have you as part of the Ebony People TV family. See you in our next video.